Good morning and welcome to our Tuesday installment for science. Today is Tuesday, October 5th. We are in the Tuesday folder. Lesson overview for today. You can see with the other reminder about late missing work. I'll have the video hyperlinked there for you. And then our objectives today are still focusing on adaptations, which is good because we're finishing the adaptation lab today. We're also having an adaptation quiz as well. Down below, we have the video hyperlinked for you. Attention getter number 31. Let's go ahead and look at that first. And this is a thinking question for you. It says, do you think one type of adaptation is more important or less important than the others? Explain. So again, the adaptations that we're talking about are the behavioral, the physiological, and structural. So yesterday we gave examples of those. Behavioral would be migration. Physiological would be the cat's fur or hair standing on end when they're spooked. And then structural adaptation would be the ability for fish or other aquatic organisms to have gills that allow them to breathe underwater. And then as far as number 29 goes, when we talked about the compare and contrast, remember physiological and structural is something that we can't control. That's part of our DNA. Behavioral is something that we can control. And they're all adaptations that are meant to help us survive, help us live, which is kind of the goal of a living thing. For today, for class, we are going to be taking the adaptations quiz first. So if you are listening to this at home or somewhere else besides in the classroom with me, realize you'll need to make that quiz up for me. So it'll go in as missing, but you will make it up when you return back to school. So just kind of be aware of that. Also, if you miss school and you're with me today in class, you're taking the quiz today in class. Because again, it's nothing new. We have just been reinforcing this content the last few days, so it's not anything new information-wise. After the quiz, then you guys are gonna finish your data collection for the Opposable Thumb Lab, slides 17, 18, and 19. Remember, you are doing the paper copy. Once you have your data collected, you want to answer the questions, and that is due Thursday. And then also your paper lab and graph are due to me on Friday. In class on Thursday, we're going to be doing the bar graph together. So you want to make sure you have those questions done. So the only thing you have to do for homework is the bar graph. Once you are done with that, we are going to be finishing the first unit in our class, which is the characteristics of living things. So you need to make sure that you update your digital binder, which is slides 4 through 18. By making sure that all pages are filled in with either typed answers or pictures with answers. So let me go back to slides and we can pull up the digital binder. So again, what am I talking about? What am I kind of referencing? So just realize slide 1, nothing there. Slide 2, nothing there. Slide 3. So this needs to either be typed in or you need to add a picture, which you should be able to do very easily. So if you have questions about how to exactly do that, please let me know. But that is definitely something that you guys should be able to do quite easily for me, is add a picture in there. And again, keep on going through either answers typed in or a picture there. So if you did this on paper, you're just filling in a picture of this. I'm not telling you you have to retype it. I'm not telling you you have to redo it. You're just putting all the information in this place. That way it's in one location for you. Same thing with notes. Your mnemonic should be filled in there. This is what is due for me for homework today, so that picture should be put in there. Well, actually, you did in class, or on digital binder, you should already have that in there. Again, that should be filled in for you there. Same thing there. The questions for the organization of cells chapter, your five kingdom vocab, your 5 kingdom chart. Mystery of the Chamber of Living Things, and then the Opposable Thumb Lab. Obviously, you're going to have to get pictures and put this in here since we are doing in paper. So you'll have that slide filled in. This slide you'll have filled in because you'll already have your data and you'll already have your questions filled in. And then realize I didn't say slide 19. We'll take care of slide 19 either on Friday or next week, since it is a sorting class on Friday due to your early dismissal. So again, that essentially is what your homework is besides the questions, to update your digital binder and then make sure you have those questions done. Tomorrow is a Worldly Wednesday, so obviously we'll pick up with the graphing on Thursday. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, have a terrific Tuesday. I'll talk to you later.